Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment section and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Hey PiNetwork pioneers, if you've been keeping up with the latest updates, you know things have been buzzing in the Pi universe. But if you haven't completed your KYC Know Your Customer verification yet, this one's for you. The PiNetwork team has just announced an extension of the KYC and Mainnet migration deadline, and it's time to act fast. Let's break it all down in a way that's easy to understand. What's happening? PiNetwork, the project that's been making waves since its inception almost 6 years ago, recently launched its open network on February 20th. This was a huge milestone as it made the PI token publicly accessible and allowed crypto exchanges to list it. But here's the catch. KYC verification and Mainnet migration are still pending for many users. Originally, the deadline for completing these steps was February 28th. But, as has happened before, the team has extended the deadline, this time to March 14th, 2025. Why the extension? According to the PiNetwork team, the extension aims to give real pioneers more time to verify their balances and migrate to the mainnet, help users who've recently returned to the network and want to re-engage, uphold Pi's core values of inclusivity and fairness. So, if you've been dragging your feet, now's your chance to get things sorted. What if you're struggling with KYC? The PiNetwork team has shared some pro tips for users facing issues with the KYC process. First up, name mismatch problems. If your Pi account name and KYC name don't match, your application will likely be rejected. The solution? Resubmit your application with corrected details or update your Pi account name, though this may come with a penalty of forfeiting part of your mobile balance. Now let's talk about appeals and rejections. If your appeal was denied due to a name mismatch, you're still eligible to reapply, but only if you've appealed exactly once and were denied. And what about phone number typos? Made a small mistake while entering your phone number? You can now edit up to 2 digits. This change is designed to prevent misuse like account transfers or hacking. Community reactions, mixed feelings. As with any major update, the PiNetwork community has had mixed reactions. Positive vibes. Some users are grateful for the extension as it gives them more time to complete the process. Frustration? Others are calling the project a scam, citing repeated delays and extensions. Whether you're team optimistic or team skeptical, one thing's clear. If you want to secure your Pi tokens, you've got until March 14th, 2025 to get your KYC and migration sorted. What's next? If you haven't already, here's your action plan. Submit your KYC application. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid rejections. Complete your Mainnet checklist. Follow the steps provided by PiNetwork to migrate your tokens. Double-check your info. Ensure your name and phone number match your official documents. Final thoughts. PiNetwork's journey has been anything but boring. From its ambitious goals to its controversial delays, it's kept the crypto community on its toes. Whether you're a longtime pioneer or just getting back into the game, this extension is your chance to secure your spot in the Pi ecosystem. So, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendars for March 14th, 2025 and get those KYC applications in. Thanks for reading, and as always, stay tuned for more updates from the ever-evolving world of crypto. Don't forget to share this post with your fellow pioneers. Let's make sure no one misses the deadline.